Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best robot window cleaners for effortless glass cleaning. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Liectroux YW610 Window Cleaning Robot. This ultra-thin window cleaning robot features AI route planning, dual dry-wet mopping, and built-in water spray. It is perfect for cleaning glass surfaces with precision and efficiency, ensuring a streak-free finish with its advanced navigation system. The advantages of this robot window cleaner are ultra-thin design for easy use on narrow spaces, AI route planning for efficient cleaning, dual dry and wet mopping. The disadvantages of this robot window cleaner are limited battery life, might struggle with heavily soiled windows. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. PuRuiKai Window Cleaning Robot. This high-suction electric window cleaning robot offers anti-falling technology and remote control functionality. Designed for safety and ease of use, it efficiently cleans windows while ensuring the device stays securely attached to the surface. The advantages of this robot window cleaner are strong suction for secure attachment, anti-falling technology for safety, convenient remote control operation. The disadvantages of this robot window cleaner are higher noise level, may leave streaks if not properly maintained. At number 3. ABIR WD8 Robot Window Cleaner, equipped with dual water spray, smart memory, and laser sensors. The ABIR WD8 ensures thorough and precise cleaning of windows. Its high vacuum suction makes it effective on large surfaces, while the smart memory function tracks previous cleaning paths. The advantages of this robot window cleaner are dual water spray for deep cleaning, smart memory to optimize cleaning routes, laser sensors for enhanced accuracy. The disadvantages of this robot window cleaner are requires regular water refills, can be expensive compared to similar models. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Ultra-Thin Window Cleaning Robot. This ultra-thin robot vacuum cleaner is designed for window cleaning with electric glass Limpia crystals technology. It offers remote control features, making it ideal for homes with hard-to-reach windows. The advantages of this robot window cleaner are ultra-thin design for better maneuverability, remote control for user convenience, effective for home use on various glass surfaces. The disadvantages of this robot window cleaner are limited to small or medium-sized windows, requires frequent recharging. At number 1. CHOVERY Robot Window Cleaner. The CHOVERY Robot Window Cleaner uses advanced Limpia crystals technology, allowing users to clean windows efficiently with remote control. It is perfect for homes with large glass surfaces that are difficult to reach. The advantages of this robot window cleaner are remote control for easy operation, high efficiency on large surfaces, advanced cleaning technology. The disadvantages of this robot window cleaner are heavier than some other models, can be difficult to store due to size.